PeytonWilcox.news website. So the family news blog is the place where you'd probably want to do most. And if you looked at the blog, the Wilcox family blog, you'll see that we've got some posts out there already. Most of them, all of them currently posted by me. And if you'd like to actually be able to post your own blog entries with photos and everything associated with it, all you need to do is request to be a user of the Wilcox family blog. And you can just send me an email on any of my email addresses and I'd be more than happy to add that. Just tell me what email address you want to use to be able to create your user ID. Once you've done that, all you have to do is in the URL is type wilcox.news/WP admin. You see it fills that in for me because I've used that quite often. It'll ask you to sign in. I've got a few different usernames. This is my blog entry one. And it'll ask for your user name and password. Put that in and click on login. And it'll bring you to the main WordPress dashboard, giving you all the access that you currently have as part of your user ID. I'm going to go to posts. Posts is where the blog entries are made. And we can take a look at all posts. And these are the blog posts that I've actually posted out there so far. But we're going to add our own new one. So you click on Add New over here in the dashboard menu. And there's three important aspects to any blog post. There's a title, which will show up in the list of blog posts like you saw. Over here, there's something called featured image, which is going to be an important aspect to kind of summarize your blog post, and it will show up in the list of blog posts as well as your title. And then there's the block of your actual blog post that you have right here, which is text and or images or a few different things, and we can show you that in a second. I'm going to start off by putting in a featured image. Click on Set Featured Image, and then I'm going to go to the media library. So these are all the images that have already been uploaded to the Wilcox.news website. I'm just going to pick our logo as the featured image for this one and set that as a featured image. Create, and the title is Create Your Own Blog Post. Request a user ID for creating Wilcox.news blog posts of your own. Once you've created text, you can do a few different things. You can bold it, for instance. You can align it to the right or to the center or to the left. We'll keep it to the left. I prefer left. You can italicize it. You can also set it up as a hypertext link. So for instance, under wilcox.news, I could set that up as a hypertext link and just put in our standard and that's now a hypertext that will bring you directly to our web page from your blog entry. Once you've put in as much text as you want, you can also add in various other things. So if you click on the plus button up here in the upper left, you can add in a paragraph of text, a list, a bullet point list. You can put in a heading, quotes. The other thing that you might be interested is putting in images or a gallery of images or audio or specific files, media and text, or a video. So for instance, if I wanted to put in an image, it will ask me where do I want to do it. Do I want to upload the image? Do I want to pull it in from what's already in the media library or insert it from a URL that you found out on the web somewhere? So let's go to the media library again, and we're going to pull in the Zoom picture, the Wilcox Family Mother's Day Zoom picture. How's that? Oops. And so it puts that in there directly. You can do a few different things. You can size it. You could move it, so put it above your text or below your text, or add additional text below it. More text with a blog here. Once you're all said and done, and you've got it exactly how you want it, just hit the publish. It'll ask you a few different things. It's going to be public, publish immediately, and you can add any tags if you'd like to it so that people can find it easily. So we're going to go ahead and publish this blog. It'll tell you the actual post address for the specific blog entry, but we don't need that. So we're going to go ahead and view the post. So basically here's your featured image, which is just our family website logo. The text that we put in there, including the hypertext link that we talked about, the photo that we brought in, and it'll tell when it was published, by whom it was published, and it will give you the opportunity to edit that post as well. If you go ahead and take a look at the Wilcox Family blog link, you'll see that it's now entered in here. And I'm going to update this particular blog post so that it will include this video of how to do that particular type of blog post when you get to that. If you have any questions, send me a note, and I'd be more than happy to set you up with your own blog writing opportunities. Thanks, everyone.